Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Junit. In this series of email marketing, today we will discuss about campaign some major parts. The first one is the templates, after that statics and setting. So what all these three options stand for, let's start one by one. Firstly, we will go with the templates part. So the template is basically like they can be two kind of the templates. The first one is email. The second one will be WhatsApp. So if we got two kind of the templates, so basically we can do the marketing from that now. So the email templates is there. In the email template, there can be multiple templates can be created according to the requirement. Suppose you have to launch a day by day campaign, so for that you have to create a day by day campaign templates for the campaign part. So in the previous video we have discussed like how to create the custom templates or template based templates. So for creating the templates, just you have to click on the create. So basically for creating the templates, you have to click on the create template. Now the option will show you want to create email template or WhatsApp template. Select on the email templates as we are doing the marketing for email. So just you have to mention add your template name. Template name this will be the internal name. This will not shown in outside like front end to the users. This is only for you, just for identification, for separation purpose. So you can give any templates name. Now the subject line is there. So just you can add your personal subject line. Subject line will be delivered to the recipient inbox. This would be eye catchy. Example, you can see that private sale 25% off on our new collection. So this kind of the like in the subject line, if we talk in the number, that will leave a good impression. After that, preview text will be there, that we have discussed in the previous lecture what is subject line or the previous text. So we have to in about 35 character we have to describe the overview of content of your email, like the complete content of our email we have to explain in only 35 characters. So from email is there, and that we have to mention from which email we are going to send this kind of the templates. From name, in that the company name will be there, like from which company you want to send the message to the email to the customers. Let's click on the next tab. So here the templates is there. The first one is the layout, the second one is the template gallery. And the layout part, predefined layout will be there, that we also discussed in the campaign part, in the creation of the campaign part. In the template gallery, you can just import the templates. The predefined template is there, just you have to click on search is this option, your template will be imported. So basically the same design will be imported to your website, to your email template. So in the template, this is the template gallery. There's a lot of like approx 48 is there. So from the 48 templates, you can just identify and add it on your own templates. So in the my templates, we will see my templates. That templates has been created by you. All the templates will be reflected here. The campaigns is there. Like here it will show for which templates you have run a campaign. So we have run the campaign of digital marketing course 299 on the basis of this templates, and same campaign we have run on the basis of this template. The last option is there, code your own, and that you can create your custom HTML templates for the email marketing, and you can just paste your code here, and your particular campaigns for the email marketing will be live. Okay. Now the second option is there, statics, and the statics we can track the progress of the campaign. Let's suppose in the previous video we have run the campaign digital marketing 299. Total recipient was 3 and number of percent open like 0. Right now no people open this campaign. So here we can check that how many percent click, how many people unsubscribe from that particular campaign. So all the information we can check here. Like we have added fake emails, so all the 3 emails goes to the bounce. Okay. Now the send date is there. After that we click on the report part. Once you will click on the single campaign report, you will see the complete analysis of that particular campaign. Like delivered to, number of the users who has delivered the particular emails. So you can see all the information there, particular campaigns. Like the draft, campaign scheduled, campaign completed. After that, what is the campaign audience, you deliver to, estimate opens, unique kills, unsubscribers, deliverability, opens, clicks, unsubscribes. So for all the information you can just check that part, and you can track the every part of the campaign of the email campaign. Here the share report is there. Once you will enter the recipient email and message, you can share this particular report to someone. Now the export report option is there. You can export this particular template report in the PDF and CSV file. Once you click on the PDF part, download PDF, just you will open. So you can see that in this way the PDF report can be generated that you can send to the clients, like we have done the campaign and this particular reports we have gained from the previous campaign. After that, statics part has been done. Now the setting parts is there. So in the setting of the campaign, there are the multiple terms. The first one is default. So multiple option is there, like default setting, task list, unsubscribe page, Google Analytics and tools, global calculated values, webhooks. So there are a lot of the options. According to your need, you can customize every setting. Suppose if you will click on the default setting, so in that you can adjust your account preference and the default contact information displayed in your campaign. In the team list, you can set up a list of contact to receive a test version of your campaign before they send to your full contact list. Unsubscribe page, you can personalize the unsubscribe page seen by subscribers when they click the unsubscribe link. Like you can customize the unsubscribe page. In that you can add the Google Analytics and social, from which you can analytics the traffic. After that, global calculated value is there. Here, in that you can measure the daily metrics that you want to be calculated and displayed on your account dashboard. In the webhook, you can create webhook to connect event. Event connect can be like such as email opens, clicks, etc. Your sender and domains, in that you can configure your senders, like from which email you want to send a domain. Get a dedicated IP, in that you can manage your dedicated IP and monitor your repetition and deliverability. Now the conversion is there, and the conversion you can create and edit conversion to measure the revenue generated by email campaign. So from the email campaign you can just measure the revenue that can be generated by the email campaign. Basically what happened, like you sent the particular 19 rupees product to 100 customers, so you can track the status key, how much conversion I got from the 100 people. And the WhatsApp there, so you can connect to a WhatsApp business account and monitor the account quality. So this is the basic setting implementation in the campaign part. So for all the things, when you click on the action button, like the configure, so here you can select the time zone, time format, date format. You can do the tracking, hide image URL, SMS reply, all the things you can change according to you can change the default name, default sender, everything you can change from there. And after that, the second option is there, the test list. You can also set up the test list here, and which you want to, like before publishing the campaign, you can just send a demo of the email template that should be on the particular email for the testing purpose. You can set after that webhooks, sender API. So for option you have to just click on the configure, and you can just configure the data according to your requirement. So if we talk about in the campaign part, and the campaign part, mainly three terms are there. That one is the templates, statics and setting. In the templates part, you can create multiple templates that you can send in upcoming campaigns and your current campaigns. Campaigns template created can be any, like it can be newsletters, it can be birthday promotion, it can be product promotion, it can be sale offer, anything campaign templates can be there. The statics will be there. In that statics we can measure the performance of the campaign. Simple word, if we say campaigns performance can be measured by like how many people open the campaign, how many people click the campaign, number of the participant delivered campaign. So in this way we can track the complete report of the campaign, and the setting we can display the basic setting of the campaign part completely. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this session. Have a nice day. Take care.